Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this dining table. This table features Walker Edison's easy assembly technology, which means it'll go together in about 20 minutes or less, and no additional tools are required. So let's get into it. The only thing that we'll need to do for assembly is attach the legs. So for that we're going to use the bolts, and we're going to take one of the small lock washers, put that on first, and then the bigger washer on second. And then you can tighten those with the included hex key. I'm just going to use the hex bit on my screwdriver. So we'll start by taking one of our legs, and the legs are going to go on the outsides of the corner, and then the bolts are going to go through the inside. So we'll line those up and put 2 bolts in. And then a helpful tip with these bolts is to get them as far as you can with your fingers. That way you have less turns to do with the Allen key. And make sure to go nice and snug with those as well. And then we'll do the same thing with the other 3 legs. Okay, once all of the bolts are tight, we can flip it over. Make sure to get a second person to help with that, as it's kind of heavy and you don't want to put too much pressure on the legs. But after we flip it over, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new table. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.